Hello everyone. We are going to talk about digital transformation and Industry 4.0 maturity assessment. Let's start with Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0, which is described as the fourth generation of the industrial revolution, is among the frequently used terms recently. It was first pronounced during a fair in Germany. Industry 4.0, it is the name given to the new industrial revolution that emerged with the use of the Internet of Things, big data, and inter-machine communication technologies, where business processes are managed with data-based scientific methods. Industry 4.0 is a collective term that includes many modern automation systems, data exchange, and production technologies. The most important distinctive elements of Industry 4.0 can be collected under three headings: speed, width, and depth, system effect. Speed. Industrial developments in the new era are developing very rapidly. Every day, a new technological development is witnessed, and technological developments pave the way for new ones. Width and depth. Developments in the new era are based on the digital revolution. However, this rapid development causes profound change not only in the production structure, but also in the business world, society, and the living condition of the individual. System effect. The new era changes the structure of companies, sectors, but also countries, and includes the overall transformation of systems. What does Industry 4.0 include? Internet of Things refers to the wireless communication and machines with each other. These machines can also be called robots. Each robot has its own communication address, and they communicate with each other very quickly and keep up with the changing production strategy. Decision-making and implementation processes are very short. Data analysis is delivered to all units immediately. Cyber physical systems. It is the general name of systems that operate through self-managing sensors as a copy of the virtual world. Cloud-based manufacturing. CBM uses shared diversified and distributed production resources to create temporary, reconfigurable cyber-physical production lines that increase productivity, reduce product lifecycle costs, and allow optimum resource allocation to respond to the customer-generated demand. It can be defined as a networked production model that utilizes on-demand access to a set of shares. The features of CBM include networked manufacturing, scalability, agility, ubiquitous availability, and virtualization, big data, and Internet of Things. Everything for the service and pool of resources. Smart factories. Industry 4.0 smart factories include smart machines and systems that perceive the business need with sensors, communicate with each other remote production tools via the Internet, and pull the production information they need from big data in cloud system. Here, the communication and interaction between the means of production is provided through the Internet. Here, all production resources, sensors, actuators, machines, robots, conveyors, etc., will not only automatically exchange information, but will be conscious and intelligent enough to anticipate and maintain machines to control the production process and manage the factory system. Let's continue with maturity assessment. Business processes are key elements that enable an organization to survive in providing high-quality products and services. The maturity model is a tool for evaluating and continuously improving business process. The most popular maturity models are integrated capability maturity model and software process improvement and talent identification. Integrated service-oriented architectural maturity model is a newly designed maturity model and is still under construction. Research and developments continue. Methodology. Smasher used 9 dimensions and 62 maturity items in order to assess companies' Industry 4.0 maturity levels. 9 dimension and maturity items are given in Table 1. Maturity levels are examined under 5 levels. According to this model, Level 1 companies have lack of attributes, the supporting concepts of Industry 4.0, and Level 5 companies can meet all requirements of Industry 4.0. In this maturity model, assessment surveys are made by using 5-point Likert scale for each closed-ended question. After survey results, rate points are calculated and maturity levels of companies are determined. To determine maturity level of a company, an equation is used. In this equation, M corresponds to maturity, D corresponds to dimension, I corresponds to item, G corresponds to rating factor, and N corresponds to number of maturity items. We can see the below of equation 1. Here we can see the 9 dimensions: strategy, leadership, customers, products, operations, culture, regulation, employees, and technology. This is Table 1, sampling the maturity components.
Hi, I am Buket. I'm going to talk about preparation of Industry 4.0 surveys, determination of criteria, designing questionnaires about the criteria, weighting of criteria by experts with HP method, application and evaluation of questionnaires, application of surveys to internal, research and development, business development, design and IT professionals, application of weights to question scales, obtaining the maturity index value, maturity level detection, determining the maturity model level, getting detailed results. Next, maturity levels definition. Initial, processes unpredictable, poorly controlled and reactive. Manage, processes characterized for projects and is often reactive. Defined, processes characterized for the organization and is proactive. Quantitatively managed, processes measured and controlled. Optimizing, focus on process improvement. Question sets for digital transformation and Industry 4.0 maturity assessment. Smart products and services. Which functions can your company's products fulfill? The following options: communicating with other products, platforms, machines, and external systems, collecting data from environment and other systems, keeping the data they collect on their system or in the cloud, having a platform on which the product or cloud applications are working. To another question, who do you offer service insights for according to the user data obtained from the product? None, business, customers, partners. Smart business processes, research and development, product development. To what extent are the manufacturability and terms of use of the product simulated during product development? None, low, medium, high. Do you use 3D printers in the production prototyping processes? Yes or no? Next. Smart business processes, information technology. Do IT dashboards be used for traceability of company processes? Yes or no? So another question, are you already using cloud services? Production, logistics and procurement, research and development, product development, after-sales services, sales and distribution channels, pricing, promotion, human resources, information technology, finance. Strategy and organization business models. Do your existing products and services comply with innovative digital business models? Yes or no? To another question, which degree of resource is allocated to digital business models? None, low, medium, high. Conclusion. Industry 4.0 will allow us to achieve an unprecedented level of operational efficiency and accelerate our efficiency by revealing new types of advanced production and industrial processes for machine-human cooperation and symbiotic product realization in the future. Companies that want to increase their competitiveness in the future should apply the Industry 4.0 revelation to their production organizations, and as a result, they should apply technologies such as smart robots, cyber physical systems, cloud-based manufacturing in their factories. Maturity assessments should only be considered as the first step of a general approach. Subsequent development steps are about a concrete overview of what actions are recommended to be taken to improve the maturity of processes.
Thanks for watching us.